going to be doing number 4A from lesson 5.5. Okay, so the question says factor if possible, and 4A says 3y squared plus 4y minus 7. So it's just like before, you find the common factors, 1 and 3, 1 and 7, and 3, no, that's my bad. So those are the factors, and you could do this way. This would be your only way. Do it like that, and to make this positive, but make this a -1. So it'll be minus 3 plus positive 7, which would equal 4. So the equation would be, so as I said, the equation would be 3y plus 7, and there'll be y minus 1. So the final answer would be that, and so I did that because 3 is opposite to 7 and 1 is opposite to -1 in the way we multiplied. So yeah. So right now I'm going to be doing question 5A from lesson 5.5, and the question is factor again, and it says 3x squared plus 7xy plus 2y squared. This question is a little different from the other ones because the c has a y value with an exponent, but we still do it the same way. Find the factors 1 and 3, and 1 and 2, and sorry, you multiply these two and multiply this. Give you 1 plus 6, okay, 7. So our final answer would be, it will be x plus 2y and 3x plus y. So there's your final answer. The only thing different is we added 2y. We added y. We usually wouldn't add that. We would have a number there. But in this case, we have a y. Okay, so I'm going to be doing lesson 5. number 4a. The question says, verify that each trinomial is a perfect square, then factor. So this should be, the question says 4c squared plus 12c plus 9. So first, our job is to verify that the trinomial is a perfect square. So I'll do this in blue. So we got see if this is a perfect, if it has square root, so it'll be 2, sorry, 2, and this square root, 3, and we multiply by that. But 2, sorry about this should be a 12, my bad. Okay, so this should equal 12. So 2 times 3, 6, 6 times 2, 12. So it equals this. So that means it's a perfect trinomial, perfect square. Okay. So now we factor it how we usually do, 1 and 4. 2 and 2. 1 and 9. 3. So just by looking at it, I can tell that it will be that and that. This and that. So equals 12. That is a plus sign, not that. And so the answer would be 2c plus 3, and the other one would also be 2c plus 3. So since it's like this, and we know it's a perfect square, we already know that the final answer should look more like this. 2c plus 3 squared. So this is our final answer. Okay, now I'm going to be doing 5a from lesson 5.6, and the question says, each of the following is not factorable over the integers. Why not? So first one is 9x squared minus 16y. So that's not right. When I look at it, I can tell that it's not factorable because the 16 is not squared. The 16 should have a square there, then we can factor it, but since it does not, it's not. So I'll just write y and Yes. Why is not squared? So that would be our answer. And to show you guys everything that I've done. Um, I don't think you can see it all, but yeah, so here's all of it. And sorry for my bad writing, but yeah, it's hard using mouse.